Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about tetration. The word tetration comes from tetra, means 4 because it is fourth operation in this series. In the series, number 1 addition, number 2 multiplication, number 3 exponentiation, number 4 tetration. Multiplication means repeated addition. Exponentiation means repeated multiplication. We know that. What about tetration? Tetration means repeated powers. It is denoted as A tetrated to n. That means A, two up arrows, n. This you write it as like this. The n you write it in the power on left hand side. This is tetration. But in the exponentiation, the power you are writing in the right hand side. This is exponentiation. This you read as A tetrated to n. That means you have write A in the powers up to n times. Let's see the difference between exponentiation and tetration. What is exponentiation? It is a repeated multiplication. So 2 power 3 you write it as 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. But in the tetration, this 2 power 3 you write it as 2 tetrated to 3. You write it as 2. The number 3 write in the power on left hand side, which means 2 power 2 power 2. Number 2 you write it 3 times. Now how can you solve this type of powers? Here we are going to do from top to bottom. That means here to here. This is 2 power 2. What is 2 power 2? 4. Now what is the value of 2 power 4? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 power 4, the value is 16. In the exponentiation, 2 power 3, the value is 8. In tetration, 2 tetrated to 3, the value is 16. 2 to the power 4. It is a repeated multiplication. So you have to write 2 in terms of multiplication by 4 times. So which is 16. But here, this you write it as 2 power 2 power 2 power 2. You have to solve from top to bottom. This is 2 power 2. What is 2 power 2 value? 4. Now again you have to solve from top to bottom. Now this is 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4 value? 16. Now finally 2 power 16. What is the 2 power 16 value? 65,536. Let's check another one. 2 power 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 4, 8, 16, 32, which is 32. But in 2 tetrated to 5, this is 2 power 2 power 2 power 2 power 2. 2 you have to write 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write 5 times. You can solve this from top to bottom. So this is 2 power 2, which is 4. So you have to write 2 power 2 power 2, then 4. Again from top to bottom. Then this is 2 power 2. So this is 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? 16. Then again 2 power 16. So what is 2 power 16? Which is 2 power 65,536. That is a huge value. Let's check in case of 3. What is 3 square? 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. It is in the exponentiation. What is tetration? 3 tetrated to 2. You have to write 3 power 3 as 2 times. So which is 3 power 3. What is 3 power 3? The meaning is 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Let's check 3 power 3. So what is 3 power 3 is 27. But in tetration, you have to write 3 power 3. Then you solve from top to bottom. What is 3 power 3? is 27. What is 3 power 27? Value is 7 trillion 625 billion 597 million 484,000 and 987. So this tetration is used for very large numbers only. I hope you like this topic. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel to get more exciting videos in the future. Thank you for watching.